This four-wheel drive rock crawler RC is an awesome car in just about every way. So I have well over 10 remote control cars, and this one definitely ranks as one of the best I have tested in its price range. While it's not a pro-grade RC car, it's definitely not just a kid's toy either. This comes with the features that you would expect from a higher end RC car, such as the throttle and turn trim, long-lasting lithium batteries, and speeds that go up to 25 miles an hour. Out of the box, you get the manual, you get an extra set of batteries, and you get the charger and cord. You get a remote control that surprisingly only takes 2 AA batteries. The car has 4 pins that you will need to take out in order to remove the cover. So this car is 4-wheel drive. It has a servo for precise turning. One really unique thing about this car is that it actually uses 2 separate batteries on either side instead of a single battery pack. I've not actually seen this on an RC car before. So while you do have to remove the top cover to replace the batteries, you don't actually have to remove it to turn the car on or off. In fact, really my only annoyance with this car is that you have to remove these 4 pins in order to replace the batteries. So because this car is 4-wheel drive, it handles very well on all terrains, including grass, asphalt, or dirt. The car is also super durable and can take quite a beating. Because the body is very low, it also handles and turns very well. Overall, I just have to say it's a really impressive car. It's super durable, it's a ton of fun, and it gets really impressive battery life. What is even more impressive to me is that it actually comes with an extra set of batteries. That's super awesome. So I definitely recommend this. I think this would work well for a child who is a teen or maybe even preteen. And it is also fun for a super old person like myself.